Today in this video I'll show you how can you hide posts from friends on Facebook without needing to unfriend them in the first place, so let's jump right into it. Now first we need to go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure you have the Facebook app updated to the latest version for it to function properly in this method. Once you have it updated to the latest version, you can finally go ahead and open it and find a post from someone that you do not want to see the posts from. Now tap on the three dots right next to the X on top of the post. You'll get a lot of options. You can choose to hide all the posts for 30 days from that user, or you can tap here to hide that post and see fewer posts from that user in the future. You can even choose to unfollow them completely. Now you can tap on hide post to hide that post. Now if that user shares a lot of posts from other pages, you can choose to hide their posts and posts from the pages they share from. Just tap on see more right here and you'll get more options to hide posts from the pages that they share posts from. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.